passion fruit, green. Let's go green again!
Hello guys, I'm her stepmom and I'm gonna help her.
First, passion fruit. Again, that's some milk. Again,
I help her. Oh, delicious.
now, heavy cream. Delicious! In the freezer for 10 minutes.
Okay, let's go.
After some time freeze and eat. Let's try.
Let's go.
Yay!
Mm.
This is mine.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Mm.
Delicious. Bye bye, guys. I see you later. Bye bye.